I like Final Cut Pro, but I don't like that. It's the dreaded missing plugin error. This is one of the reasons why I don't like making long YouTube videos. It increases the chances of disaster. Editing on this Super Mario World All Exits video guide started days ago. With the first 20 minutes of the video complete, I don't want to start from scratch. Can this problem be fixed? Oh, well, this is not a tutorial. I'm just documenting what I did to fix the problem. Basically, Final Cut Pro crashed. The app simply quit. On reload, I saw this mess. This is the second time it happened. I'm not sure if it's because I renamed the video files after editing them, or if it's something to do with Final Cut Pro 11. But basically, I copied everything on the timeline. I created a new library, then I dragged the video folder onto the new event folder. It has today's date. When I started a new project, there was a message about editing clips between libraries. All of my clips are in an external folder. That doesn't seem like a problem. So, here we go. Paste. And it's back, no errors. I even tried exporting the video and it worked. Unfortunately, whenever I quit and relaunch Final Cut Pro, this problem returns. Hopefully this kludge of a fix is enough to get the project completed.